So they say the front entryway of your home sets the mood for the rest of your house. And right now, mine is giving seasonal depression. We have boots, we have gloves, we have coats, we have unopened mail, we have still our Christmas mat from the holidays still out. We have dirt, you name it, we've got it. So today I'm going to stick to my New Year's resolution, which is just to take 5 minutes and tidy up, just to make things feel better. The premise is obvious: set your timer for 5 minutes and just get a simple task done. Small steps add up to really big steps, and also progress is motivational. And that's what we're looking for here: progress and not perfection. So all I'm going to do is tidy this up, sweep the floor, and then I'm also going to add some greenery in here, and I'll talk to you about that as I go. In terms of what I'm picking and why, because it really mimics what I have going on in the rest of my house. And I want my entryway to feel just like the rest of my house does: warm, inviting, and welcoming. So come on, why don't you also pick a task that you can get done in 5 minutes, and let's do it together.
That's already starting to feel so much better.
So this corner doesn't get a lot of light, so I choose plants that can handle a little neglect and still look intentional. This ZZ plant is incredibly low maintenance. They store water in their roots, which means they don't need to be watered often. I water this one about once a month, and that's more than enough. ZZ plants are also fine in low light. They don't grow much here, and honestly, that's perfect. I want it to stay calm, structured, and consistent, and not necessarily demand attention. Next is a snake plant. Care-wise, it's very similar, low light tolerant, drought tolerant, and extremely resilient. I don't know a whole lot about feng shui, but I do know that according to feng shui, snake plants are actually highly recommended near an entryway. They're said to act as a protective barrier against negative energy and are often associated with welcoming good luck and prosperity into the home. Their sharp vertical leaves are thought to help deflect bad energy, making them a strong choice for an entrance. Both of these plants can handle the door opening and closing, even with the occasional draft, which makes them ideal for an entryway. All right, guys, let's take a look at the finished product. I changed out the entryway rug and got rid of the holiday rug and just put our regular everyday rug back. I got this off of Front Gate during their end of season sale. And then I added a Sansevieria right here and a ZZ plant over in the corner. I think the scale of it is perfect. And I think, like I said, it really kind of invites you in and mimics the plants that I have going in the rest of my house. And I don't think that they're going to be impacted by the fact that this is a lower light area or any of the drafts that could happen with the door opening. Now, if you guys want any more information on houseplants and what to put where or how to use them in terms of your aesthetics and your design, make sure to check out this playlist that I have going over here. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you in the next one. Bye.